I have Motorola Moto G6 and let me show you how to accomplish the hard reset operation by using the Moto settings. So at the very beginning let me unlock the list of all applications, choose settings, then scroll down to the bottom of the list and simply tap system. From the following list you need to choose reset, select factory data reset, read the information about the process and choose reset phone. In order to begin the whole operation and to erase all personal information, downloaded apps and customized settings, tap erase everything. Right now the device is performing the hard reset, the phone is restarting and rebooting, so let's just be patient and wait until the whole operation will be completed successfully. Excellent, as you can see the welcome panel just pops up, so it simply means that the hard reset operation is done. Now you may start activate your smartphone. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.